Look at camera. Look at it. Whoop, boop, boop. Right on the paper.
I wanted to see how bad this one's going to be. Situation.
It actually looks pretty clean.
So see back there, those are your main jets, and that's what is getting controlled by your, your needles.
Oh, that's like so these are like little floats that level your gas in there.
So it allows gas in, shuts gas off, so gas just is always flowing. It's kind of like a toilet tank.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, this is why I wanted.
Dirty in there. Look at all that shit.
This is why I wanted to like break into it, because I'm like curious how it works.
Yeah.
Filter's pretty clean. Oh, don't fall off. Oh, it literally.
Yeah, it just hangs.
Just hangs there. It's like a little float. Sit there, little float.
So these are all your needles.
That's the.
Yeah. So I'll show you like this. It's aluminum. So yeah, so you got your. That's paper. So
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, that's just your idle jets. This is for you, California. If you can hear me on that camera over there. This is called a paper funnel. This is what the rest of America uses.
Okay, ready? I don't know what you do that one. Oh shit.
What?
Can't think about that. It's got two.
When you take this off, you'll see there's these channels that run through from the main jets that come through here, and that's how you control your air fuel, because you have your air just coming straight down the pipe, right? Your vacuum. And these are literally controlling the gas from the main jets, because you're always going to have those little tiny jets are going to be putting gas by for idling and things like that.
Right.
And when you hit the gas and the vacuum, it'll start pulling gas through the main jets.
Voila.
Under these gaskets aren't holding anything back. See, so there's your channels. So your gas. Right.
Those gaskets are like.
Damn. That's pretty pitted.
That's where all the leaking is.
Yeah, we're gonna have to clean that up. All these little holes, we're really gonna have to clean them. Let this soak. Well, see the buildup on each one's different. How dirty it is.
Oh yeah. This one's more.
Yeah.
More. This one's clean.
So this is the side facing the motor. Yes. See how much dirtier it is?
Yeah.
Something's wrong there. You can see the main jet hole down there now, if you look straight down the pipe.
Yeah, no, I know. I saw the jet. I know where that's at.
Like it gives you the measurements on there. For all your tolerances.
Where? Oh.
1 3/16. Look at all that crap down there, though.
I know. Do you have like something small? Oh wait, here's a.
Like a pick? Because I got those little picks. We need some small.
There we go. Nope. A nail did it. Yeah! Woo! Let me take shit apart. But no, look at all the scratches.
Yeah.
Like here.
Yeah. And that's why you don't use the screwdriver. Tell me if there's any gas leaks. I'm just going to turn on the fuel pump. Gonna fill up the bowl.
Right. Well, I hear liquid. So there's that.
It came to a stop.
No, I hear it filling. Smells gassy.
Get a flashlight and see if it's pouring out anywhere on the inside.
Oh, thank God. Supposed to have gas down at the bottom, right? No, I haven't seen it yet. Right, got it.
Now we're gonna hit the gas and see what happens. Okay.
Okay. Oh, we got a leak up top. Yep. The red. Whatever this red one is.
Which one?
This big guy.
Is it coming out of that part or the part?
I think the top. Well, it might be coming out of that too, but who knows?
Let me see. Okay, let's see. Looks like it could be coming out of that top piece, huh?
That's what it looks like. And then it's just kind of like running into that hose.
Let's see. I'm glad you do.
It's huge.
Okay.
Tighten the other thing. Now it's got gas, it can move. I said now that it's got gas on there, it's like moving for you.
Okay, you want to go? Just turn the key on, not start it. Push the gas pedal. Okay, Yeah, shut it off.
Huh.
Just looking.
Is it still leaking from up there?
No. That may be a little.
Sorry.
You're right. I was just wondering what you're doing.
Oh, I just feel holes and stuff in the back seat.
Would you turn it on again? Okay, shut it off. It's coming out of there.
Out of what?
Oh, that fucking back hose thing.
Does it have to be metal?
No.
Can we like change that?
Can we buy a nipple and put rubber on there? Yes.
Yeah. Oh, it's no back there. No, I don't see any leaks anywhere else.
Would you go off the starter for me?
Oh man. Can we start it again or?
Yeah.
Too lean or too?
Maybe two accelerator pump not working.
scared the crap out of me.
Little front fart?
Is that caused by air?
No, it's a pre-ignition.